In the last video in this series, I outlined the steps you need to take your Nordic curl from this to this. In this video, I want to show you how to take your Nordic curl to this. Full range Nordic curl, I recommend you start with my other progression, which I will link in the description. If you can do a full range Nordic curl, or you're getting very close to doing your first one, stick around till the end, because I'm about to give you everything you need to get your first 5 Nordic curls. I changed a few key variables to get past my first single rep in the Nordic curl. The first and most major change was that I built my own Nordic bench. Having tried both methods, I definitely prefer using the bench. It has even more cushion for my knees and has also completely eliminated any cramping that I would get in my feet from the old setup. If foot cramps are keeping you from progressing, I highly recommend you try a Nordic bench, or something that puts your feet in a neutral position. Both setups will work, but I definitely find the Nordic bench to be superior. One variable I kept the same was the use of pull-up bands. However, this time I added a weighted vest for additional intervals between bands, because the jump from one band to the next can be too extreme. I've linked to a few good options for both pull-up bands and weighted vests in the description. This time, instead of having my partner hold the band, I created a more permanent setup with an anchor for more consistent assistance. The other major variable that changed for this progression was taking out the pause and rest in the bottom of each rep. I think the pause in the bottom is key for building up full range so that you can get comfortable going all the way down in the stronger eccentric pattern. The transition from eccentric to concentric without touching is the most challenging part, and something I feel you should only tackle once you're comfortable with full range eccentrics from my first progression. Frequency and rep scheme were the last two variables that changed for this progression. I've been running a variation on the Strongless 5x5 exercise program that I created using knees over toes guy exercises. I plan to do a video on this in the future, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in seeing the full routine. My programming is done in a simple A and B style pattern, with the Nordic curl falling on the B days. I currently either lift 3 times a week in an ABA week 1, BAB week 2 style, or 2 times a week, AB, AB, depending on my schedule and how recovered I am feeling. Since my goal for this progression was to build up to a 5 rep max, I only performed 1 working set of Nordics in the workout, with 3 warm-up sets of 2 to keep the volume very low. As I outlined in my other progression video, Nordic curls can be very challenging to recover from. So it's important to keep the volume and frequency low if your main goal is increasing strength in the movement. Now I'm going to give you the exact periodization I used to get my first 5 Nordic curls. For consistency with the other video, I'm going to reference bands 1 through 4 again, with band 1 being the thickest band and band 4 being the thinnest band. Instead of defining each progression by weeks, I'm going to define them by number of workouts. You should never be doing more than 2 Nordic curl sessions in a week if you're following a 3-day-a-week ABA pattern, and if you do 2 sessions, it's a good idea to only do 1 the following week by switching from ABA to BAB. I like to use a reverse sled as a general warm-up before beginning my specific Nordic curl warm-up. While reverse sled more specifically targets the vastus medialis, it's great for getting your legs warm, core temperature up, and getting plenty of blood flowing around the knees. As a reminder, each workout should have 3 very controlled warm-up sets of 2. With progressing difficulty until you get to your working set of 5. Workout 1. 5 reps with band 2. Workout 2. 5 reps with bands 3 and 4 combined. Workout 3. 5 reps with band 3. Workout 4. 5 reps with band 3 plus 2.5 pounds in the vest. Workout 5. 5 reps with band 3 plus 5 pounds in the vest. Workout 6. 5 reps with band 4. Workout 7. 5 reps with band 4 plus 2.5 pounds in the vest. Workout 8. 5 reps with band 4 plus 5 pounds in the vest. Workout 9. 5 reps with band 4 plus 7.5 pounds in the vest. Workout 10. 5 bodyweight Nordic curls. What if I hit a plateau? If at any point you're struggling to progress, you have 3 options. Option 1. Change the resistance. The weighted vest will give you more loading variables to play with to find the right resistance to match your current strength. I made some fairly large jumps in my progression, so you could always slow this down by working up to an additional 7.5 to 10 pounds in the vest before moving to the next thinner band. Option 2. Change the workout frequency. If you're struggling to progress, you may not be giving yourself enough recovery time. If you're doing Nordics twice a week, try alternating twice a week and once a week. If you're already alternating, try only doing them once a week. If you're already doing them once a week and not recovering, try doing them every week and a half. Option 3. Break the working set into a cluster. Your set of 5 could turn to a set of 4, 1, 3, 2, or 2, 2, 1. Since the goal for this progression is to get 5 continuous reps, it's likely that you need to take a step back on the resistance if you're having to use any cluster sets before you get close to the end of the progression. When in doubt, change the resistance first, and never work through pain. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for new videos every week.